Built his bumpers. Mine is all rusty, screwed up, bent. And the frame was a little very slightly tweaked where the core support mount went, so I beat it in a little bit. Should be okay. And the brackets wasn't going in all the way. So now this bottom piece is off a C series. We got a K series. So we drilled marked it how we wanted it. And we're going to make sure the other side we draw a straight line. We use a silver marker. And probably going to drill it. And then we're going to drill it here. And we're just going to connect the two with the saw and go from there. A saber saw or saw. And we're going to draw a straight line across it. And we're going to do the same with the other side. And then we're going to go from there. And on this side we take the core support up. The hole's a little bigger than what it should be. So we'll probably just get a piece of metal and drill a circular hole. And this was bent back a little bit, so we tweaked it, pulled it, let it come along against the garage. This we might leave, it isn't that bad just on the outside. We might take it in, we can't get the bumper to fix. And here's this side, so that's pretty clean. And of course the bolt, when we took the core support bolt off, it's all chewed up. So we're going to see if we can find another bolt like that. Kind of cool head to head. And then this, like all the rest, is kind of screwed up. Body mount. So that is our next project. So if you want to follow my build, that's how we're going, what we're doing. So this is kind of tweaked. It should be almost straight on the outside. If you look here on the other one, I'm trying to hold the camera the same way, it's straight. So the rest of the frame doesn't look too bad. Frame comes in. Yeah, it's slightly tweaked on this side. This side would have to be pulled in. But good thing is, since we have the truck apart, just get it towed out, get it towed back in, and get that thing done. This will save a lot of labor. They don't have to tear apart the body. So, little odds and ends. But if we can get the bracket in there for now, I think we might just leave it. But the previous brackets weren't bolted in because of that issue. How we drilled was use the circles to make a round corners to cut around. I left extra here, and the marker can always come off. I always leave extra. You can cut it bigger, but never cut it smaller. And this is what we use. I think this is a wooden or steel saw, probably a steel bit. Shouldn't matter either one. And I'm just take the hand file, straight as the one we can get, and just file it straight. Little spot there. That's it. Just get a decent sized drill bit, doesn't matter what size. Park your corners, go around there, give a little more extra as possible, and you can cut it out for 4x4. Someone probably previously cut this out. No, it's factory because it's got the mold plastic behind there, the lip. But it doesn't matter, we won't tell. And I showed a video also on how to take these off in the junkyard. This if you take the brackets off, so I needed the whole brackets. So this is our latest in series of work in the truck.